Hey you, welcome back to my channel. I am Camille and I want to show you what I do with my conditioner that I apply to my hair before I shampoo and condition, because this is the conditioner I use to detangle. So I am cleaning up my little area because it's a bit messy. I want a clean little section to work with. Now I wanted to point out I am into this made in Italy Harbor products because their hair masks are perfect, beautiful. So I am going to take this turquoise container that is gone. I added some purified or distilled water into it to kind of clean it up because the conditioner mask is thick, so I kind of want to loosen it up. Now this pink one has my conditioner that I will use to detangle my hair, and of course the products from Rouse, so I need to go back there again to get more. So this already has some conditioner in it, as well as the Wow conditioner you see in the left corner, and I want to get all of that conditioner from this brown bottle out. So I've cut it in half, and now I'm just using my index finger to scrape all the conditioner off and apply it to the container. Now your scissors or whatever tool you're using can have conditioner on it, so I want to clean that off while carefully not cutting myself. Don't want blood in my conditioner, so I will carefully do that and put that against the rim while it drips into the container. Now with the brown container, I want to get everything that will slip out, and whatever is left I will use my finger to scrape and put into the pink container. Now it's halfway done, nice and clean. I am then going to grab some scissors and cut that bit off that I've used up, no more conditioners on that area, and work further down because it's much easier that way. And still using my finger, and of course it's best to use this with fingernails that are not present, because of course conditioner or anything can go into your underneath your nails, or you can use some gloves, but I like to feel where I'm touching to make sure everything's out. So I'm using that little tube from a conditioner bottle and using that to scrape some of the remains of the bottom section of the brown bottle, and doing the same process over again. Now this idea that I have was done before I had my curly hair journey, because I wanted to make sure all the products that I was using at the time was being used up completely. So I cut up my very first Aussie 3-minute deep conditioner. That was the first container I opened up and took out the conditioner, and then since then I started to do that. So this is, to me, I've noticed to be a quiet time, because doing this quickly does not help. So I'm going to go back to that conditioner and pour the remainder in, but I feel like it needs to settle if there's any leftover product. I'm going to set that aside and show you a little bit of this conditioner, which is in the pink container. This is a jumbo conditioner I got, and I'm just going to wait until it's time to check to see how it is. There is a bit of residue, but I think those little areas were dry and flaky, like thick dry, so I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to put my fingers in there, so I let that be because they were dried up even before I put the water in. So now it's time to mix my mixture, which of course this mixture will turn into a green-gray concoction. It's not going to look pink like the conditioner did in this container when I first purchased it, I believe. So yeah, I've been doing this for years and just recently wanted to show you. hope you like it. I hope you try it with your own. I hope this is a way for you to save your conditioners or any products you have that you don't want to use up too much. So yeah, like and subscribe, and of course, embrace joy. Now my crazy little bloopers. Not that crazy, I was a little tired. Okay, bye.